TikTok Lite for you settings. Most users never touch. Change this to transform your feed. So hey guys, TikTok Lite for you settings on how to change your feed. TikTok Lite doesn't have one magic for you switch that completely transform your feed. Instead, you can influence what TikTok recommends by adjusting your content preference and interaction differently with videos. So I suggest open up your TikTok right here, TikTok Lite, then click on your profile right here, then click on the three dots on the top right corner. After pressing on the three dots on the top right corner, click on settings and privacy. So once you're here, look for content preference. There you go, you will see content preference on the top. Just below the content and activity section. Press on that. So there you go. Once you're here at your content right here, you may see options like filter keywords, mute account, refresh your For You feed, and so much more. So if you want a major change, guys, use refresh your For You feed. There you go. There you go. Press on that and click on start. There you go. After clicking on start right there you go. As you can see, once it's restarted, you will see uh, you will see your For You feed has now been restarted. So it's now changed. So whatever you like, watch, or whatever you do, that will determine the For You page. So this is important, guys, because refreshing your For You feed change the recommendation TikTok uses for you, your For You page. It doesn't delete your account, followers, or upload videos. So yeah, it will just change the algorithm of your videos that will show to you. But yeah, there you go, guys. That's how I did. I hope you guys enjoyed. She enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, happy to question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And see you guys on the next one. And thank you, guys.